What if I told you there's a version of ChatGPT so powerful it can literally think like a human, build businesses, and even make you money while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. And it's called ChatGPT Atlas. This new AI update isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete rewrite of how we interact with artificial intelligence. Stick with me till the end, because once you understand what Atlas can do, you'll never look at AI tools the same way again. Oh, and I'll show you how people are already using it to create passive income streams with zero tech skills. So what exactly is ChatGPT Atlas? Think of it as ChatGPT's brain on steroids. It doesn't just answer questions. It understands context, emotion, and strategy. Imagine asking an AI to create your entire business model, design the website, write your ads, and manage customer replies, all while learning from real-time market data. That's what Atlas does. Pattern interrupt, humorous. Honestly, at this point, I'm not sure if I'm training Atlas or Atlas is training me. But here's the scary part. While most people are still arguing whether AI will replace jobs, the smart ones are already using ChatGPT Atlas to create jobs for themselves. The gap between people who learn AI and those who ignore it is growing faster than ever. Within 2 years, Atlas could replace entire teams, marketers, designers, coders, all gone. But if you know how to leverage it, this same AI could be the greatest wealth-building tool you've ever touched. You wake up, open your laptop, and Atlas has already researched trending business niches, built an entire digital store, written viral ad copy, and even scheduled your social content. You just approve it, and boom, your digital empire runs while you sip coffee. Hot beverage. Sounds like science fiction, right? Here's the twist. People are already doing it. Real creators and entrepreneurs are using Atlas to make AI-generated income, from ebooks, YouTube channels, drop servicing, and automated coaching funnels. And you're about to learn exactly how. The world is changing faster than ever, and those who act now will lead the next digital gold rush. If you want to discover how to actually make money using ChatGPT Atlas and AI tools, also don't forget to subscribe. Click the video on your screen right now, How to Make Money from AI. It's your step-by-step guide to turning this technology into real income. Don't just watch the AI revolution, profit from it. See you there.